In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub account. Okay, first thing first, we're going to go to the GitHub site. We're just gonna type in the github.com, and then once you're there, you want to click the sign up button so we can create a new account for our GitHub. Just click it, and then you want to enter your email. Then you click continue and try to create a password that you remember, and then you want to enter your username. I'm gonna pick some random username, the stinkpen123, I think. You want to type N for no for this update. It's just some promotion, nothing important. Just gonna continue this to the next step. And now we're going to fill some puzzle. We just gotta find some object that have the same or identical. Okay, let's create the account. Once you click the create account button, you will send the verification code into your email. Let's just put it right here, and then you can skip this personalization. It's optional, you can fill it or you can skip it. I'm just gonna skip this personalization so we can finish creating the GitHub account. And there you have it. We finished creating our GitHub account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.